Hi, hope you're doing well. Today I'll be talking about zinc. Zinc is a mineral not commonly referenced like other minerals, even copper. You hardly hear of zinc when compared to copper. In today's video, I'll be talking about the health benefits or the importance of including zinc in our diet, the side effects or the ill effects of taking too much zinc, foods rich in zinc, as well as deficiency signs and symptoms of zinc deficiency. So before we continue this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please share this video because we're pushing to get 1,000 subscribers. So let's talk about the mineral zinc. So what are the health benefits of taking zinc? Zinc has antioxidant properties. Now, antioxidant helps to neutralize free radicals in the body, and this can help to prevent us from having chronic illnesses, even some of those inflammatory diseases. So zinc can decrease our risk of getting diabetes, hypertension, even it boosts our cognitive function. So zinc improves learning, memory, concentration, and because zinc has antioxidant properties, it can boost our immune system. Now, I am a nurse by profession, and I've cared for a lot of patients afflicted with COVID-19, and part of the treatment regime is zinc. So zinc is included in the medications that we give these patients because it is believed to boost the immune system. But more research is needed to really conclude on this, but it is still included. So while there's really no conclusive evidence that zinc prevents or treats COVID-19, there is research evidence that shows that zinc can prevent you from having pneumonia and it boosts the immune system. So there are conclusive research on this. Now, zinc is also important in wound healing. So zinc tends to promote the production of protein and DNA, and this helps to boost and stimulate the processes that help with improved wound healing. It also helps to decrease our risk of osteoporosis, so it is important in bone formation. Zinc is also important in child growth and development, and also for sexual growth and development. So persons who are deficient in zinc, especially men, can have problems with sexual functioning. For women, it can lead to fertility issues. Also, zinc is important in protecting our eyes. It can decrease our risk of visual impairment or loss of vision, and it can also protect us from age-related macular degeneration. Because it also boosts the immune system, it can help to ward off flu or cold. It also helps to boost your sex drive, and I spoke about your sexual functioning, and it also treats diarrhea. So these are just some of the health benefits of zinc. What are the foods that are rich in zinc? So you have beans, you have like the chickpeas, that's rich in zinc, cocoa powder, mushrooms, spinach, tofu, some fortified foods are rich in zinc. For example, fortified cereals, fortified milk, eggs are rich in zinc. Fish, nuts, pumpkin seeds, cashew. My brother loves cashew. I am yet to acquire the taste of cashew, but I eat it because it's healthy. So cashew is rich in zinc. Meat is rich in zinc. For example, chicken, that's rich in zinc. Seafood is rich in zinc. Oyster is one of those seafood that's rich in zinc, and even yogurt is also rich in zinc. So what are some of the deficiencies? Zinc, what are some of the signs and symptoms of zinc deficiency? So while zinc can help to treat diarrhea, one of the signs of being deficient is actually diarrhea if you're zinc deficient. Also lesions of the eyes and lesions of the skin, because remember, zinc helps to improve wound healing. So if you're deficient in zinc, it can delay wound healing. It can lead to lesions of the eye and skin. If you're deficient in zinc, you're gonna have decreased cognitive ability. You're gonna have impairment in learning and memory and concentrating. You can also have increased risk of infection if you have zinc deficiency. There's also loss of appetite, and because zinc aids in growth and development in children, it can lead to delayed growth in children. But you must always have exercise temperance with anything, even if it's healthy for you. So some of the signs and symptoms of zinc toxicity, meaning an overdose of zinc or taking too much zinc, is again loss of appetite. So too little or too much zinc can lead to loss of appetite. You can also have nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain if you've consumed too much zinc. Headache is another sign and symptom of zinc. I mentioned diarrhea. So while zinc can treat diarrhea, diarrhea is also a sign and symptom of too little or too much zinc. Now, while zinc has antioxidant properties and can boost our immune system, too much can decrease your immune function and make you susceptible to disease. It can also decrease your copper levels if you have too much zinc. It can affect your sexual functioning. Too much zinc can damage the sperm in men. So men, you don't want to overdo your consumption of zinc. And zinc can also decrease the good fat levels in your blood. So the good fat is called high density lipoprotein. The bad fat is low density lipoprotein. So if you have too much zinc, it can decrease the levels of good fat in your blood. So again, temperance is very important. And as usual, sweaters, hoodies, t-shirts are in my store, and the link is always in the description. So feel free to check it out and support the cause. One love. God bless.